Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check product's health in iRobot Roomba E5. And to do this we'll need to pair our robot with iRobot app. I shown you previously on how to do it. If you're interested, look for iRobot in our main channel. Then let's scroll down and here we should be able to find the product health. We'll need to take a survey if you're doing it for the first time. When did you last replace Roomba's filter? I'm not sure. When did you last replace Roomba brushes? I'm not sure. When did you last replace Roomba's corner brush? I'm not sure as well. Now we can go back to the product's health and you should be able to see all of the options for each sweeping brushes, dual multi-surface brushes, as well as high efficiency filter. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.